Hey guys, we are here in the streets here. This is that jamun tree and it's massive and it's definitely got to be fruiting. I've heard it has really good fruit on it. So we've taken a couple clippings off of this and we're going to take this home and we're going to graft some of this onto our tree and see if we can stimulate our tree to fruit. If not, we can get this branch to produce some jamun for us. All right? All right, so we're back at home. This is our jamun tree at home. This is actually an air layered tree from my bigger jamun. We're going to try to get this tree to be able to be more productive sooner. So we're going to graft a piece of this jamun that we got from the tree that we found on the street there. And we're going to cut this right about here. We're going to cut this branch off here, cut all the branches off, and we're creating a scion here. This is what we're going to graft. Now we want to get our buddy tape. We want to wrap our scion up so that it doesn't dry out. This buddy tape, you can get this by Googling buddy tape. And it's a small company. It's a mom and pop shop kind of company, but it's the best stuff. You don't have to remove it. Everything grows right through it. So we've got our scion wrapped up. Now we want to find the part of this branch where we're sort of equal thickness, right? So here is the part where we're equal. We're going to go ahead and snip that. And let's make sure we line up because we want our cambiums to line up. Now the cambium is the layer directly under the bark. Now you can really do this with just about any knife. Can't find my grafting knife, so I'm doing it with this pocket knife here. We're gonna go ahead and try to cut a wedge in our donor or our scion piece of wood here. And this is from a mature tree that's already fruiting. So two things are gonna happen. One, this branch will fruit much faster than the rest of the plant, right? Because this branch is mature wood. Two, this branch can also stimulate the rest of your tree to fruit, which is really the cool part. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, cut a groove down the middle here. And we are gonna insert our scion. And what we wanna do is make sure that our cambiums are lined up on both sides, if possible. If we can't get both sides to line up, then we have to make sure at least one side is lined up, because if you try to put it in the middle and they're not the same size, then neither side will catch. So as long as we have one side where our cambium is completely lined up, then we should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up nice and tight. We wanna make sure that we have constant contact between the two pieces of wood. Sometimes I use a rubber band for this. Sometimes we use this other grafting tape, which is a little bit less expensive, and it makes a really good sort of twine when you pull it tight. So I'm gonna wrap that up, tie a knot in it. I'm gonna double knot it. And that's pretty much it. So what's gonna happen is this branch going forward will be more mature than the rest of the tree, and it has a good chance of producing fruit a lot sooner than the rest of this plant, all right? Hope that helps. If you learned something, hit the like button, subscribe, all right? See you guys, bye.